The staff blank meeting about this year's budget is or are. Unang step, ano muna ang subject sa sentence na to? Yung word na staff. So, ang staff, alam natin, collective noun siya. And again, collective nouns can be treated as plural or singular, depende sa kung paano mo siya tinitignan. Kung ang collective noun, tinitignan mo as a single unit, as one whole unit, singular agreement ang gagamitin natin. As in this sentence. Ang sabi lang naman dyan, nagmi-meeting daw yung staff about this year's budget. So as a unit sila, as one whole unit sila na nagmi-meeting. Pare-pareho sila ng ginagawa, nasa meeting sila. So in this case, singular nating ituturing itong staff. So ano ang singular agreement dito? Letter A is. The staff is meeting about this year's budget. Now, kailan naman magiging plural ang isang collective noun? Magiging plural siya kung titignan natin yung word as its individual members and not as an entire unit. Halimbawa, kung ang sentence na to, ang sinasabi dyan, the staff are arguing where the budget should go. So, ibig sabihin, we're looking at the staff as individual members having different opinions, having different arguments, having different thoughts. In that case, plural na matuturing yung collective noun. Kaya tayo nag-are.